Today, I'm going to show you how to create phoenix tears. The things we will need to create our phoenix tears is one glass bottle, and I chose one that kind of has a teardrop shape, and I love these little indentations it has around the side, and I'm using a black rubber cork for this. We will need some red glass beads, some needle nose pliers, some gold metallic acrylic paint, some rubbing alcohol, jute twine, gold floral wire, a funnel for filling, as well as our labels printed on sticker paper, and the link for these is in the description down below. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take our glass bottle and our funnel, and we are going to fill it with our rubbing alcohol. Okay, and I purposefully didn't fill this all the way to the top because I want to be able to make sure I have enough room for it to really agitate nicely to get those really great swirls, as well as the fact that I feel like phoenix tears you wouldn't necessarily have an abundance of. The next thing we're going to do is take our gold metallic acrylic paint and add some to our bottle. And cork it up. And give it a good shake. And once we shake it up, we get these really great gold shimmery swirls in there. Okay, the next thing we're going to do to embellish our bottle is we are going to take our jute cording, and just like we've done in several potions before, we're going to make a U with our rope, capture that U with our first loop, and then continue to go around our bottle. And then at this point we can pull up on part of our loop to tighten the bottom here. And then continue to pull tightly and wrap until you are all the way to the top. And once you're satisfied, cut your string and then put your end through the loop, hold your end, and then pull your bottom cord so that it starts to pull your top string behind all of your loops. And then cut it flush. Okay, so now that this is wrapped, this is completely optional, but I kind of want to clean up some of these wispies and give it a slightly cleaner look. And to do that, we can use a lighter. So I'm going to use a lighter. Please do this under adult supervision. And we are just going to carefully burn away some of these little wispy edges on the jute twine. It gives it a little bit of an aged look, but it also cleans up some of the rough little jute twine pieces. Okay, so I want to add some of this gold floral wire to the jute cording, but I also want to add some beads. So I'm actually going to string a number of these beads on here. Okay, I think that's good for now. And then all I'm going to do to start with is make a curly Q at the end of my wire here. And then I just like to kind of shape it after I have bent it. Okay, and then once you're happy with whatever shape you decide to put there, I'm going to kind of hold this below my jute twine, and then I'm just going to start wrapping. And then occasionally I'm going to let one of my little red beads pop down to go in front of the jute twine. And then I'm just going to kind of randomly wrap this. I don't want it to have any specific rhyme or reason. I just want to add a little bit of a gold embellishment with the few red beads. And then once you're happy with it, cut the end. And then all I'm going to do is kind of wrap this and then tuck it behind my jute twine. Now that we have our jute cording with our gold wire and red beads, I'm going to go ahead and add our labels to add another step of embellishing. Okay, so now I'm going to take my labels printed on sticker paper, and as always, I went around the outside edge with the matching marker, so in this case I did a black. And I'm just going to adhere this on. And I designed these labels to be a companion piece to phoenix feathers. So it has a similar look, similar quality to it. It's not exactly replicated, but I wanted this to look like it was a companion piece because I feel like if they have a phoenix or access to a phoenix where they would have feathers, they would likely be able to collect some tears as well, especially if it's Dumbledore. And because of these little indents that I love, it's just going to make it a little bit trickier to stick these on evenly. Does that look? Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Then we're going to smooth it out. And then I made side pieces. And I left the back blank because I wanted you to be able to see all the swirling without any label in the way. Okay, so now that we have our labels on, we have a really great, unique piece that works well as a companion to phoenix feathers. And there you have it, our phoenix tears. This will be a great addition to our potion prop collection of Make Along the Way, or something special you could add to a cosplay costume. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.